Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of DuckDuckGo, you will click on settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.